In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find your form guide in HubSpot. So to do that, you first need to head over and go to your form editor. So you can go and search right here for forms. And from in there, you should be able to see right here this. So click on this and you should be able to see all the forms that you have created so far. If you don't have any yet, you can proceed to create a form right here and there. So to do that, click on this create form. You can either start from scratch or use these templates. I'll head over and use this template right here. Now here we have our form. So in order to get your guide or your GUID, you can click onto the top right, which we have on here under the share. So you can head over and then create this particular form. Click on this review and update. You can choose right here this workflow that you want and click on update option. You can either embed it or copy or share link. So for this case, we need to go and click onto this share option. Now, usually the GUID is this code snippet, the form ID or data form ID that contains it. You can find right here on your embed code. So here we have in here this. You can see right here this data form ID. So here we have this 9A188B3E as well as the strings after it. This is actually your GUID. You just need to take note of it and save it. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.